Hey guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another come with me to my favorite plant nursery in the city. One of them. I have a lot of them, but my grandma and I haven't been here together for a good minute, so I wanted to come see what they had. My grandma wanted poinsettias, so I'm getting them from here. And I wanted to see if there was anything else I could pick up along the way. On the dark chili side. Go this way. Oh my god, a bird in the backpack. How dope is that? So, look at this guy, nice and compacted. This one goes for $95. Same for these ones. It's so chilly. Grandma, does this remind you of Hawaii?
Yes, of course.
We're gonna bring Hawaii to us. I don't know what the price is on this one. It is $35.
It's not bad.
For a rubbish plant that grows wild in Hawaii.
Yeah.
Right? Ow, the sago palm always gets me. Ooh. In the greenhouse. My grandma and I haven't been here for a good minute together, and you never know. All the green vibes. Where are you taking mommy?
You don't have this.
No, Chinese evergreen? No, I don't. But they have a lot. Grandma, how is it to come back to this nursery? You haven't been here for a while.
Yes, everything has grown to the fullest.
Like more plants?
Yeah.
Yep. Neon pothos I've ever seen. Look at those trails. And the biggest compacta Hoya I've ever seen as well. So beautiful. I'm just looking in the cacti area, but this is a very short come with me because I featured this nursery various times on my channel, and we are going to head to another nursery, so we're just doing a lot of plant errands. But I wanted to also point out, look at all of those eaves needles on here, and they're priced for $10. That's actually a good deal. If you guys enjoyed this come with me, even though it's on the short side, although I featured this numerous times, I'll go ahead and link the come with me's to this particular nursery in the description bar. If you guys are interested in seeing more lengthier videos of this place, go ahead and click on the videos. I'll have it in the description bar. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Give this video a big thumbs up for having another come with me at this location, and stay tuned for a plant haul. I did pick up a handful of babies at this location today, so definitely another fun Saturday plant shopping with my grandma. This is location number 2 of the day, and I think we're heading to our 3rd one, so stay tuned. Aloha from West Hollywood, California. Bye.